All right, what's going on, guys? So in this video, we're going to be talking about HAS, also known as Hasbro, and they're going to be traded on the NASDAQ. All right, so for the company overview, it states that Hasbro is a global branded entertainment leader whose mission is to entertain and connect generations of fans through the wonder of storytelling and exhilaration of play. Hasbro delivers engaging brand experiences for global audiences through gaming, consumer products, and entertainment, with a portfolio of iconic brands including Magic the Gathering, Dungeons and Dragons, Hasbro Gaming, Nerf, Transformers, Play-Doh, and Peppa Pig, as well as premier partner brands. So, coming off of that, I do like, Nerf being one of their biggest brands. They've had a lot of very strategic partnerships over the years to kind of, grow and expand upon a lot of their different product offerings. So that's kind of cool to see. But also the whole Dungeons and Dragons, as well as kind of like their whole digital gaming platform. I didn't know that that was one of their brands in their portfolio until looking them up. But it's interesting to see that they do play a bigger role in the digital gaming field than what most people would think about. Okay, so for their dividend history, we can see that their dividend yield is going to be 4.71%, which is going to be an annual dividend of around $2.80. And that's going to be a quarterly dividend as well. And also, their stock price at the time I'm filming this video is right around $57.50. Their 52-week low is $55.15, and their 52-week high is $105.73. So we can really tell that, they're right on that 52-week low mark. They're $2 above that. Since I'd say, December of, 2022 or 2021, they've seen a, pretty sharp decline in stock price. So that's definitely something to note, as well as, just how their portfolio of brands are doing, how sales are going for a lot of those products. Now that a lot of the entertainment is more online, versus board games, card games, different things like that. So it's gonna be interesting to see how Q1 does of 2023, to see if they hit revenue goals and they performed well during the holiday season and things like that. But it's a little surprising to see their stock drop so much within about like a 1 year period. And kind of raises a few red flags for sure. All right, and so for the final rating here for Hasbro, I probably have to give them a 5. They're trading right around that 52-week low mark. So it's not much to say about the company itself. They do offer a pretty fair dividend yield for the size of the company, with just under 5%. Again, there's going to be a quarterly payout. But it's gonna be interesting to see, how they kind of shift their strategy going forward. Do they try and focus more on the online game segment, or are they still going to try and focus pretty heavily on different products like Nerf, or board games, which are obviously those physical, tangible products that you're purchasing from a store, and you're playing at a table at home, versus online. It's definitely going to be interesting to see how they handle that shift within the market. But I'm curious to see how they're going to do in Q1 or Q2 of 2023, especially after the holiday earnings come in, and seeing how well that they performed. But you guys leave a comment down below and let me know of some stocks, ETFs, things like that you guys want me to look into and make a video about.